Hi guys, knife detector here. Just a quick video on this beloved knife, this icon of a knife, the Schrade LB7. The Schrade LB7 is a classic knife. It's a knife that's been around for a very long time. This particular model has a reference number starting with the letter K. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, and please leave a message if you know different. But my understanding of the Schrade LB7s is that they were using numerical serial numbers up until the 80s, and in the 80s they started using letter designations, single letter designations. Mine is a single letter K. I believe that might put it in the mid 1980s. Let me know if I'm wrong. I can't find very much information on how old Schrade LB7s are. There's a lot of debate as to the age of these knives, and people are trying to compile information to see just how old they are. But everything I can come up with says that in the 1980s they started using letters in the serial numbers. Now, some of the more recent models don't even have any letters or serial numbers attached to them. So because of that, that makes it easy to see which ones are the older ones. But let's take a look at this beautiful knife with rosewood handles, brass bolsters, very good condition for its age. It's a little lazy in the return. Not too bad, but the spring is getting a little lazy there. Still snaps open really well. As you can see, it cuts really well. Really like this knife very much. I've always liked the aesthetics of this knife. The wood and brass combination. It's just a little bit more polished than a standard Buck 110. This being the more of the gent model, something that looks a little bit nicer when these came out. And my experience with these have been very good, although I have had some that when dropped, the handle does split right around here. And I have had some that the spring goes bad after a while on these. Let me know if you've had similar experiences, guys. But I wanted to share this one with you because I've had it in my toolbox for years, and I just I talk about the Schrade LB7 every once in a while as far as being one of my favorite knives, but I don't remember ever making a video on one. So I decided to make a video on this one. I have some more videos coming up for you guys. Later on, in a couple of weeks, I may put up a couple of knives for sale too. Some of the videos I'm going to be making coming up, they're going to be on knives that, you know, they're smaller pocket knives. I tend to like the bigger pocket knives, 4 inches and above for pocket knives. 4, 5, 6 inches max maybe for pocket knives. But I know some of you guys out there like the smaller models. So I'm going to be making some videos on some smaller pocket knives as well. A couple of more modern knives as well that are unique. Because if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, my channel is about vintage pocket knives mostly, but I also make videos on unique pocket knives, knives that just are rarely seen anymore. You don't see them as often as you used to. So if something is unique, rare, or vintage, I may make a video on it. My videos are a working library of knives for knife enthusiasts out there, guys. So my channel is Knife Detector. So if you like knives, please like and subscribe. You'll be helping me immensely. I want to thank you to all my new subscribers out there. I want to wish you a very blessed weekend to come. Tomorrow's going to be Friday. I hope you guys are going to kick it off nice, kick it off right, and enjoy time with your family, guys. That's precious and irreplaceable. So that's all I have for you today. I wanted to show you this old beauty. I'll bet you guys have a lot like mine. Just like the saying goes, there are many like it, but this one is mine. God bless you. Have a great evening and weekend.